Hey Amazon sellers, need to change your shipping template in Amazon Seller Central? In this quick video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update your shipping settings and ensure your customers get the right delivery options. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, go to the Manage Inventory section. Find the listing you want to update and look for the drop-down menu right in front of the listing. Keep in mind that you can only change the shipping template for non-FBA listings. The option to change the shipping template will not be available for FBA listings. This is an FBM fulfilled by merchant listing, which means you can easily manage your inventory. Therefore, you will have the option to change the shipping template. Click on the drop-down and select Change Shipping Template. This will allow you to switch the shipping template associated with this particular product. If you have multiple shipping templates, you can select one from the drop-down. Otherwise, you can create a new one. Simply select the template and then confirm your choice. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select Shipping Settings from the drop-down menu. You'll see a default template called Migrate Template. Here, you can create a new shipping template where you can customize delivery regions or specific PIN codes to focus on areas that are profitable for your e-commerce business. For now, I am wrapping up this video. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to create a new shipping template, please let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.